Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you can I can as a can I can? Have you got this? Have you got anything? This is actually a tongue twister. Do you know what tongue twister is? A tongue twister is a phrase that is designed to be difficult to articulate properly. Tongue twisters are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and fluency. They can also help to improve accents by using alliteration, which is the repetition of one sound again and again. They are not just for kids, but are also used by actors, politicians, and public speakers who want to sound clear when speaking. If you know the meaning of the pronounced tongue twister, please give the answer in the comment box. Can I can as a can I can? Please give the answer in the comment box. This is quiz for you. However, I wanna say about a dua or prayer about speaking fluently in public. The dua is Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. The meaning is, my Lord, grant me courage and make my task easy, and untie the knot from my tongue so that people can understand my speech. This is taken from 20th chapter of Quran, Surah Taha, verse number 25 to 28, where Prophet Musa alayhi salam prayed to Lord in this way. We may also pray in this way. I think this dua will be handy for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. Please share to inspire me and give the answer of the tongue twister in the comment box. Please. Allah Hafiz.